I study in 5th grade, section A. I went to Bumdra. It was very far away. We walked for about 7 or 6 hours. I learned new games like Monopoly, Speak, what to speak, and some more things. I also learned how to start a campfire, and I also learned how to roast marshmallow and eat it. It was so fun. I made a lot of friends. They were all above 7th grade. They were all so nice to me, and Shimgang primary school students were the youngest. I also learned how to cook, and I also tasted some new things and recipes. From 5 areas of development, I developed physical areas of development. As I was walking, I had a good exercise, and I also had a lot of friends. And I improved social area of development by making more friends and building relationships. The brothers and sisters were very nice to me. They were all soft and were nice to me. Yeah. And from other BB schools, also 2 students joined us. They were both girls, and they shared a tent with me. I learned how to play Monopoly and improved my footballing skills. And they also bought a football to play. It was a very fun journey, and this is my story. Thank you.
Example, Nini Virginia is Malurunga Pakadina Nina. That nature Lovikaina. What's nature nature the Jungnedra La Villa. What's nature Nimga Dela. What's Jungnedra Choda Hakang Nijida. Chidi Hakang Kapo, the Chidi Naposimida. The Chidi Jungnedra Villa. The Apartaxons in Vera Jabom Vidula. The nature retreat and Jungnedra again. Pantan Chidula and plain way and in a dealer. The Ngachina Chiru the bonfire disuzo the and to disobey the and this and the bench this was so save dealer. The Ngaya Jogachis lodging bonfires on the shing disuto the Lecanis. Telengachi ya virgin mamra ya pangisale dula ni nature retrinomi pangisale men mira ngadang ani achu chidula ani achu de ngalam school limila tipiki ngachi dazin dishum bera thamila gachi visochin ngachi lam tharin sa mi khibera dile ngachi ramchi bi labyo da ngachi ramchi bi metambira charuni sum demchi bo betang mela nga 5 areas of development, the gachi and area developed village in physical area of development, the spiritual area of development na jai. Tinangachi charsu justika devathap ani beoda ani socialism. To an nasan to jila dile nabna se gokap thoch ni oni rewaila.